and hello to all of my subbies that have been here. This is the first video that I'm filming for this new year, and I wanted to start the year by updating a video that needs an update. So today I decided to show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. I've changed a few products along the way. I've seen what I've done wrong and I've tried to change it. I now really oh my god, that's a lot of reallys. I really love the way my eyebrows have been turning out. Not right now, they're not filled out. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the products that I used to use and what I'm currently using now. It's very straightforward. So first of all, I wanted to mention to you guys one of the products that I started using for my brows. I actually don't have it here, so I'll probably put a picture up somewhere here. I started using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette, I think. It is a pretty expensive brow pencil, but I ended up finding a dupe for it. So I switched to this one. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this one is in the shade Brunette. This is a very affordable pencil. It is the exact same thing. So on one side you have the spoolie, and on the other side you have the very thin pencil. Just like the brow is, this little pencil is $12. I mean, I'd rather be paying $12 than what is it, like $23 for a brow pencil. This is what I ended up using until NYX came out with this little guy right here. This is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. So this little guy retails for the same amount as this guy, $12. It is thicker. It's actually another dupe for the newest Brow Wiz Anastasia pencil. I don't know if it's called Brow Wiz. I know that Anastasia Beverly Hills also came out with a brow pencil that has the same tip, but it's a lot thicker obviously, and it's just like in an angle. So it makes it easier for me to fill my brows. That's basically what I use for my brows, and the rest I'll talk about it through the tutorial. My brows, as you can tell, they're okay. In my opinion, they're okay. I know I tend to overpluck them. So just a reminder before I start filling my brows, Espresso is a lot more of a cooler tone than Brunette. Brunette had more of a reddish tone, because sometimes my hair tends to look reddish, so I didn't mind using this one. But now I really love this pencil. Actually, I didn't show you guys. This is the spoolie. The spoolie is a lot thicker. I don't have a problem with that. I kind of did at first, but I'm used to it now. I don't mind it anymore. Sorry about the lighting. How long have I had this light for in the camera and I still can't get the lighting right? I'm sorry guys, like it's just, it moves back on its own. Like, I'm trying to understand it, but it makes it so hard to understand. It has a mind of its own. Step one, I always brush through my hairs just to see, you know, the potential of the brow that I have. The second step I'm about to do is very new. I just started this year. From that one time that I used it, guys, I fell in love with this product like that. This is the Benefit Brow Vogue Conditioning Primer. This is just a sample. I actually got this when I went to Ipsy. I played a game and I won. And I've never used it because I'm like, why am I gonna use conditioning primer for my brows? And like, I gave it a shot this year, and that one day that I gave it a shot, this changed my brow game. All you have to do is twist a little bit and product will come out. Once you see the product coming out, then you want to apply it. So you want to go slowly. I did see, however, once it dries out, you start seeing like little white, like it's just white stuff. So I guess it's like kind of like a hairspray, you know? But it feels so good, and look at the difference. My brows get darker. You can see more hair. If you need more product, just twist it again. Just make sure you don't pass over when it's dry, because then it will create those little white stuff. And it actually keeps it in place. Now, I don't know how much this is. I don't even want to see how much this is like on its own, but I really feel like I do want to get it because it does make a lot of difference in how I feel my brow. So now I'm going to do the other side. So now that I've done this, I just want to let it dry. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Precision Brow Pencil by NYX in the shade Espresso. So I'm gonna fill in my brow, and I always start at the bottom trying to make this line in. But do you guys see how easier it is for me to fill it in with that little brow conditioning primer, and the fact that this already makes the line straight for you. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to turn the pencil vertically to just do strokes of hairs right here, not a lot, just at the beginning of the brow. You see? And then what you want to do is fill in the top, just create the top part of your brow. I don't know what the type of brow that I like is called, but this is the shape that I really love. And then I just flick the end so that it's very thin. Okay, and then once this is done, I go and fill in the empty spaces in between my hairs. And afterwards, I just grab the spoolie to just blend in all the color so that it's not so harsh. Just being careful with the conditioning thing. The conditioning primer. Like, see, there's an empty line there. I also noticed that I used to do my brows so thin. I like it thicker now. Now I'm going to fill in the other brow. When I fill my brows, I actually fill them before I start my entire makeup. It makes it just easier to do that first for me, in my opinion. The only thing that you guys sometimes see me doing in my makeup tutorials is adding the last step, which is coating my brows with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. And this is in the shade Espresso. This color seems a little bit warmer than the Espresso that I added, and I actually don't mind that because it gives balance to my eyebrow, so it's not so cool. So I decided to add this at the end because I highlight my brow bone. When highlighting my brow bone, I end up having a little bit of the shimmer or the powder on my brow, and I don't like that. So to hide that, I use the mascara. I'm not going to show you guys in this video cleaning up my brow. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Right now I'm doing a natural look, and this is what I would do. I'm just going to add the brow mascara. And what you want to do with this is just brush through your brow hair. What it does is that it brushes them through on top of giving them more color so they look even fuller. And you have the option, if you want them bushy, you just flick it up. Just like this. I mean, it looks really good. I like it. But I normally just like a cleaner brow, so I just brush them the way they grow. So only this part goes up, then this goes sideways, and then it goes down. That's pretty much what I do. If I feel like it needs to be brushed through again, I brush it again. I'm gonna do my other brow. And that's pretty much it on how I fill in my brows. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. I did wanted to do something different, not another makeup tutorial, but a brow tutorial, since my brow tutorial that I have, I'm gonna delete it because it's so old and it's really bad quality, bad lighting, bad everything. I didn't even fill my brow properly back then. It's like it wasn't my priority. Anyways, I don't know what dupe for this little guy. I just started using it. I guess a clear brow gel would do. I have used a clear brow gel by NYX. It does stay in place, but I've never used it before. So I'll probably end up trying it out and see if I can find something more affordable, because I'm pretty sure this is not going to be affordable. But it's actually a really good product. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and leave in the comments down below what products you use for your brows. I'm interested to know what you guys use for your brows. Alright, I'll see you guys till next time. Bye! It's very, very, very strictly forward, you know?
No. Straightforward.
even open it. My hands are so creamy.
Oh.
There you go, I did one. Just like the browies. Okay. My nose is itchy. From, no, actually I didn't get it in the goop.
The goober.